Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shah Sir Classes and Evershine Coaching Center. I am Shah Faisal Sir here. It's my pleasure to help all the deserving students and make every student to score a very good marks in the upcoming board exam. My dear students, today I am going to show you the very important topic and this maximum number of students are awaiting for this information, that is the new pattern Karnataka SSLC State Board model question paper. As you can see here, just the department has released this model paper. Okay, Karnataka Secondary Education Examination Board 2020-2021 model question paper number 1. As you can see here, the subject is maths, general science and social science. Subject code of mathematics is 81E, science 83E, social science 85E, and the total time duration will be 1 hour 50 minutes. Okay, 1 hour 50 minutes, but altogether you are going to get total time duration will be 3 hours. No need to worry, here certain small mistake has been done. So total duration of the exam will be 3 hours and the maximum marks will be 40 into 3 is equals to 120 marks. Each paper carries 40 marks. Totally we have 3 papers and you are going to score 120 marks. This is for regular fresh students. As you can see here, I am just zooming this part. General instructions to the students. This question paper consists of objective type, 40 questions for each section. This question paper consists of 3 sections, namely section A is mathematics, section B is general science and section C is social science. Each section consists of 40 marks. This question paper has been sealed by reverse jacket. You have to cut the right side to open the paper at the time of the commencement of the examination. Check whether all pages of question papers are intact. The maximum time to answer the paper is given at the top of the question paper. It includes 15 minutes for reading the question paper. Okay, as you can see here, this is section A, mathematics. As you can see here, you will be given, as you can see, 4 alternatives are given. For each of the following questions are incomplete statements. Choose the correct alternative and write the complete answer and mark it with the given OMR sheet. Okay, so totally we have 40 questions. Each question carries 1 mark, totally 40 marks. And these are the questions. As you can see here, these are the questions of mathematics. I'm just scrolling down. I'm just going little bit quicker. Okay, I'm going little fast. As you can see, these are the number of questions. This is model paper number 1. Most probably you may get even one more paper, that is called as model paper number 2. First we are going to show you these papers. So here you can see totally we have got 40 questions. And then let me come back to section B. This is general science. Similarly, as you can see here, this is part A is physics. In section B there is a part A. In section B, can you see this? There is a part A. Part A is physics. Subject code is 83E. Okay, just I'm coming down. And then you can see there is a chemistry. According to the model paper number 1, physics is part A and part B is chemistry. So here they have chosen for chemistry around 14 marks. Okay, and then biology they have considered for 12 marks. This is biology, 12 questions, total 40. Next, section C is social science. This is social science. Social science. As you can see, these are the questions which belongs to social science. And these are the total 40 questions. Okay, I hope this video is very helpful for you all. Still, if you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel Shah Sir Classes, do subscribe it and already we have started the online classes for class 10 students. For the present batch, the one who needs to face your board exam, we are just going to have the quick revision, and also we solve a number of multiple choice questions, and also we suggest you how to solve it with certain mock tests will be conducted. Okay, if any students are interested to join for online classes, you can join it. And also just we are going to start from this upcoming Sunday, we are going to start the classes for second language Kannada also. Okay, in the below description you can see the contact details are given. If any students are interested, you can just contact to me. Hope this information is very helpful for you all. If you like this class in the session, do not forget to click the like button and share this video as much as possible with your all friends and your classmates. Thank you. Keep watching to our channel. Take care. Wish you all the best of luck. Bye bye.